Today I'm going to teach you how to instantly add cinematic title cards to your music videos in one click in under 60 seconds, zero gatekeeping. And make sure to stick to the end of this video because I'm going to give away some free title card templates. Let's go. First things first, go to Window, hit Extensions, and you'll click the AutoEdit Music Video Mode plugin. Now at the last tab of the Music Video Mode plugin, there is a title card applier, and if you click throughout all of these templates, you can see there's a bunch of pre-designed aesthetic cinematic title cards. We go ahead and click Insert at Playhead for whichever title card we want, and boom, instantly we have some title cards. The cool thing about this is that these are all MoGRT files, so what that means is that they're completely customizable, and we can go ahead and go to the Effects and Control panel and change this to say whatever we want, and it instantly updates the title cards. You can see that looks super aesthetic. We can go ahead and change stuff like the color, the sizing, the position, whatever we want. There's even like controls over here. Like this one lets you control the blurriness of the title card, which is really cool as well. It's just overall super easy to customize and adjust. There's a bunch of different templates in here you can go ahead and test. Some of them have animations, some of them don't. Some of them have like these styles already made for them and some of them don't. So you can go ahead and mess around with it. You can change anything from the font, color, size, position, whatever you want. Boom, look at this. This looks so clean. Like the fact that we're able to make this in just a couple of clicks is honestly pretty crazy to me. Now, yes, of course, we linked to the free MoGRT template title card samples below, so you can download those completely for free. Now, if you want to learn how you can use the AI visual effects tab in the AutoEdit Music Video Mode plugin to instantly apply visual effects, transitions, and automatically cut your entire music video to the beat of the song, then you can check out this video